Hello everyone, my name is Roy. Welcome to my channel RoysArtyCrafty. So in this video we'll be doing cursive handwriting in English and we'll try to review various ballpoint pen nib sizes. So let's start the video. So in this example, we'll be trying to write the capital letters in cursive and 1.6 mm pen nib has been used. The pen nib is very smooth and these letters can be written very fast without any pause, or like it took very less time to finish and it was very smooth. In this example, we'll be writing the same cursive capital letters using a 0.7 mm compared to 1.6 mm. The 0.7 mm pen took some more time or longer time, but the letters were very sharp and crisp. The curves or the edges of the letters while writing with pen 0.7 mm were really prominent and sharp compared to 1.6 mm. The space management can be done very easily with this pen of size 0.7 mm. The size of the letter or the length of the letter or the space between the letters, so these things can be managed very easily or controlled with this pen very easily and in a comfortable way. In this example, 0.5 mm pen nib has been used and the same cursive capital letters have been tried. So the spacing or the sharp edges or the curves are really good with this pen. So the experience of writing capital letters using this pen is really very satisfactory and it has not given any problem of bleeding in the next layer of paper. So even though 80 GSM graph paper has been used, but this pen is really good with 0.5 mm for cursive capital letters. It may take some time to write the letters, but the finishing or the edges or the curves are really very good. In this example, small letters have been tried using this pen of size 0.5 mm and the experience was really good. The spacing between the small letters or the height of the small letters could be controlled or managed in a very good way using this pen, and the edges or the curves or the specific height or the measurement could be controlled or written in a very good way using this pen. So in the next examples, we'll be trying to write sentences, words using those various pen nib sizes. So let's start.
I look into your eyes, I see we're out of time. I guess no one's to blame, nobody crossed the line. I guess we couldn't see, somehow we couldn't feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. But I remember days I wondered we were will be no hard goodbyes, thank God we're civilized. Beyond our separate ways as we fade into gray. But I still miss the way you used to feel. Maybe we rolled so fast, maybe we got too high. Yeah, I do remember tears and the laughter. How could we fall so fast and let us go? It's time to surrender now that it's ended. Nothing to say.
So according to me, from my experiences, I can say that 0.5 mm to 1.2 mm, these pens we can use it for cursive and they are really good.
We wanna believe.
If you like the video, please share and subscribe, and thank you very much.